as far as today's topic is concerned, all of you might be well acquainted with all the technologies, tech experts, software experts, and blah blah other things. Okay. So basically, when a lawyer in front of you people, so right now I think there are three lawyers because both of them are also lawyer. Okay. Yeah. So when a basic question might be in your mind or might be in relation with this court process and cyber crime. Okay. Because since morning we are discussing about the cyber crimes, other things. Okay. And these topics are very well known to we people. But now, as far as the law is concerned, the question is in relation with not only cyber crime, the question is in relation with the crime. So, shall we do one thing that it just a communication or conversation between all of us? Okay, it will be good, na? Because only I'm talking on the legal things and perspectives and on law language. Okay, so it will be boring. So, let's make it simple. So, when we are talking about a crime, so what you feel? What is crime? Any guesses or anybody else who want to speak about crime? What is crime? Except you two people. Okay. Yes, please. Break down the law. Any illegal activity to break down the law is crime. Okay. Well. Yes. Only one. Because it should be a two-way process. I'm not here to deliver only one single lecture, this slideshow and end. Okay. So just anybody? What is crime? What do you think about the crime? Anyone has to respond? Yes. Right. Financial loss due to illegal activity is crime. Okay. So can we say that crime is just a thing which is against the society or which is against the prudent person's behavior? Is that so? Yeah, because we all are the peace living person. So whenever we are talking about the crime, means something which is against the society at large is crime. Okay. If something is against our customs, traditions, is crime. If someone is using our money illegally, then it's crime. If someone is using our personal information, then also it's crime. So as far as cyber crime is concerned, cyber crime is a concept which don't have any specific definition in the statute. Because when the existence of word cyber crime is there, it just a newborn baby, a cyber crime. So as far as our Indian constitution is concerned, because constitution includes several laws, or we may say it's an encyclopedia of the law of India. But as far as cybercrime is concerned, it's a new concept. And whenever we are talking about a cybercrime, we are talking about some digital things. So cybercrime is a crime which happened because of misuse of certain digital technology, which affects on your personal income, which affects on your personal security, which affects on your personal and social life. So can we define it in certain parts? So these are the basic parts which you people are very well acquainted might be. That is hacking, identity theft, cyber stealing, phishing, online fraud, data breaches, cyberbullying, and cyber grooming, and all other things. Okay. So these are the points, or we may say these are the things when we are talking about the cyber crime. But apart from all these things, because this is at first only I've cleared myself, this is not a slideshow. Apart from all these things, cyber crime is happening everywhere in between us, because it's a newborn baby. So right now we are having this 7, 9, or 10th points of the cyber crime. But as far as these points are concerned, there are several points which are yet to be covered by the law itself. Frankly speaking, do you people know about companies like private company, public company? No, you might be acquainted of all these things. So I think you people also know that it is possible to file a case against company. Yes, it is possible. Yeah, it's possible. Na? You can file a case against company if you people are working in a specific company. So anyone can sue against the company only. So whether company is a person which is in existence. Yes. One voice from there. It's an artificial person. Means company is a person, but which is artificial one. So then also it is possible to file the cases against company, because company is having artificial entity. It's an artificial person, but we can file a case. Okay. So whether it is possible to file a criminal case against the company. Yes. Okay. So if a company is doing any crime, then who will behind the bars? Directors, shareholders, promoters, owners of the company. Right. So, but the liability of all these persons are up to the limit. So that's why I use word shareholders, because what is the liability of the shareholder? Up to his shares. Okay, so a common man will say that, okay, I am a shareholder of the company, but I am not a decision maker of the company. Yeah. So the liability of that particular shareholder or that particular person is to up to his limit. But as far as artificial person is concerned, if we can sue a company or if we can file a criminal case against company, so now the thing is with the cybercrime. Cybercrime is a crime which is nothing but it is just every crime, or what we say as every aspect which is mentioned in previously Indian Penal Code and now the BNS, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Why the position is so? It is very simple. It is not rocket science. Like cybercrime is something different. It is just a crime. Theft. We all know that theft is crime. If someone is using that particular activity or somebody is doing theft with the help of digital technology, with computer, offline, online, from your mobile, from any other device, then it will be converted into cybercrime. So I'm just trying to make it simple. Okay. So each and every crime which is mentioned in Indian Penal Code or Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita may covers under cybercrime also, because it is a crime on the basis of digital technology. Now, as far as the ratio is concerned, there are several crimes which are very often, that is just like hacking. It means if unauthorized person access your computer system, manipulate your data, steal your data. Okay. So it's a crime. So if we are comparing this hacking in relation with theft, a general theft concept. So whether it is just like a theft, yeah, to some extent it's a theft, right? As far as identity theft is concerned, itself is a theft. Yeah. If somebody is misusing your identity, it's also a theft. As far as these all points are concerned, every time you will realize that someone is misusing the information or somebody is misusing the technology, we may say. Because as far as today's program is concerned, or what you all people are working in it, so look, cyber crime or hackers, all the way it has two aspects, just like ethical hackers and non-ethical. Because if someone wants to grab these people, to chase them, to punish them, the movement is same. You have to follow all these policies. Unless and until you know what these people are doing, it is quite difficult to chase them or to punish them. Now, as far as how to chase them, you all might have a very good knowledge of it. Now, I am here to tell you all people that what is the court procedure for this, or what police can do, or how we can take help of the police persons. Okay. So the cyber complaint, or how to file a cyber complaint. So as a simple complaint, if anything happens to you people, then what a common layman is doing, going to the police station, filing a complaint, waiting for a response of the police persons, and in a common language or Maharashtra, Indian Punekar language, that nothing but he's just going to police station requesting. So might be sometime it feels that it's a very difficult job to file a complaint. But as in a digital world, this type of filing complaint under cybercrime is very much easier. So to file a cyber complaint is the most easy way to file a complaint in India right now. If you are filing a complaint of actual theft, then it is very difficult to prove also, to file also, and to get police in the police station also. But for a cyber complaint, if you are going to police station, it's okay. There is separate procedure that you may go to police station also. You can file an application over there, and police will also help you. But as far as online is concerned, so cyber complaint is possible to file online. For the process of filing online complaint, what we have to do is to gather a proper evidence. Because as far as these cyber laws are concerned, whenever any fraud is there, whenever any bank transactions are there, or whenever any misuse of identity is there, then the basic important thing is to have the information. Now, as far as this topic is concerned, that is the gathering of evidence. Nowadays, we all people are using WhatsApp, yeah, Insta, chats, and we all are very busy doing DM and checking. So, whether it is possible that if we are having any WhatsApp chat of someone else, or if I'm having any call record of someone else, if somebody is threatening me, or somebody is misusing my pictures, my photographs, or any other such things, so whether it is possible that I can use that particular WhatsApp information or data or chats or DM messages to file a complaint? Do you feel so that it's possible that with the help of my WhatsApp chat, my now the call recording, yes, it is possible. So okay, we will discuss it one by one. Okay. Firstly, we'll discuss about the call recording because it's a very hot topic nowadays. है ना? Everybody is using the call recording system. So frankly speaking, Indian law clearly speaks that as per Supreme Court guideline, call recording is a crime. Yes, it's a crime. You cannot record anybody's call without his permission, and if at all it founds that you have recorded the calls, then he may file a criminal complaint against you. Yes, but nobody is giving you the permission to record his call, man. If you wants to use that particular force. But so as far as the position in India is concerned, here permission for the call recording is not there, but the scene is just like a two-wheeler and helmet. है ना? Helmet compulsion is there and everybody is using two-wheeler without the helmet. Just like that, we all are using these call record apps. We are all taking care that that beep should not be there while recording. Yeah. But in India, if we are recording the calls, then it's a crime. So call recording, apart from all this, yes, please. And like the same thing, it's yes, so many people that see the recording, waiting, and not the level of hearing it, the body, my base will be brought up there. And I see someone is getting in the information and accounting law, and that you know, not just getting the fantasy of others, right? Yes. And that video recording is also a crime. In fact, that video recording is a cyber crime. Because the definition of cyber crime is very vast. If I'm a program definition expressing that, but this is what I think that I did not ask anybody, can I for that purpose, the simple solution is if you are in a public place, you can record. But while entering to any private premises, it's not possible. On the contrary, if you people are going to police station, then also you are allowed to record the video of the police. If you are visiting a police station to file your complaint, and if you feel that yes, police is not responding me, then also it is possible that you can do a recording of your video also. Yeah, but they have to. Because if they don't allow you, then you will file a complaint against that particular police that he doesn't allow me to record the video. That's the situation. And we all are might not aware, because when we are talking about the call recording, video recording, or other things, so all these aspects are comes under a cyber crime, because definition of cyber crime is a very vast. Whenever we are talking about a cyber crime, it means a crime with using a digital technology. So very simple. If I am using phone call recording, it's a cyber crime. What about the CCTV? Yeah, yeah, very something. You can something translate something so that you can like I know they all the things that I have to speak over that like you can just shit it's you know sometimes in daily something it's so kind of like will be the one that you done there was a season you get that you were all for it all likewise in the say a season you get off to again follow it yeah, yeah. So kind of as far as CCTV is concerned, now in Pune also in certain apartments there are complaints from the flat owners that it's against our privacy rights. The society CCTV also. Yeah, that's the case. Now in Pune also certain cases are there. So whenever question of CCTV is there, then also if at all it is infringement of privacy of any person, then that particular person is having every right to file a complaint. For that purpose, what that particular person has to do, he has to gather the evidence. When we are talking about the gathering of evidence, then we have to prove that whether this particular evidence is infringement of his personal rights. If such type of evidence you people are having, it is very much easy. Secondly, this identifying jurisdiction. Now, as far as cybercrime is concerned, make it clear that you can file a complaint from anywhere in India. So it's not like that you're going to police station and police is asking you that you're not living here or it is not under our jurisdiction. Okay. So to file a complaint, jurisdiction is not an issue. For filing complaint, the documents which you require is your Aadhaar card, passport, or your KYC documents, because it's an online process. So you have to verify your identity first. Then only it's possible to file a complaint against other person. Now, as far as this online process is concerned, the website is cybercrime.gov.in. It's a simple website in which a pro forma is there, format is there. You have to fill up the form, and after filing the form, it is also possible to load a PDF of your complaint also. So this is the process for filing the FIR or filing the complaint under a cybercrime. Now, after filing the complaint, the process of the court starts. Now, here the process is very simple, or I may say that it is just like an other process or other criminal process in the court. So, as far as investigation is concerned, this is the basic point, or we may say the crux of the matter, that is the investigation. Because nowadays, if you are having complaint of loss of 5,000, 15,000, 10,000, you are going to police persons asking about your money. And very often people are saying like that कि करोड़ों का हो तो मिल जाएगा यार, ये 1,000-200 का तो कोई लेता नहीं है, सुनता नहीं है. That's the say. And it often, because आप अगर कंप्लेंट के लिए जाओगे तो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आएगा वहां से. Okay, so if at all you feel like this, that after filing complaint no one is taking cognizance or nothing has happened, then also a separate grievance forum is there where you can file a complaint, and that complaint might be a complaint against the particular investigation officer also. If an investigation officer is not doing investigation properly, then also it is possible to you may file complaint against that particular person that investigation is not proper. As far as filing of charge sheet is concerned, After investigation, means all the evidences and the defense, if any defense is there, then all the papers are prepared in a charge sheet. Do you know the meaning of charge sheet? Somebody else? What is charge sheet? Any guesses? Because very often you might have heard na, the charge sheet is filed in the
From my
court.
point of view, post validation, they file the charges against. The charge after police investigation, whatever they notice, they file in the charge sheet. What are their observation against a
Okay.
section? No, how do you say that?
Okay. So charge sheet means a bunch of paper which shows that what are the charges imposed on the person or a wrongdoer, what is the evidence or what are the papers police gathered while in the time of investigation, statements of accused or the person who is taking defense, and statement of the complainant or statement of witnesses while investigation. So all these papers, that is a charge sheet. After filing a charge sheet, the phase is a trial. It means trial before the court after filing a charge sheet. It is as simple as normal things, but as in India, IPC is now BNS. Since more than 100 years, IPC was there. Now we are having BNS. But the position is like that. Till today, we people don't know what is the criminal trial, what is the procedure of the court. After filing FIR, what happens to my FIR? And after getting bail of any accused, whether case proceeds or not. The same is the case with the cybercrime, but in cybercrime, the case is little bit different because as this complaint is an online complaint, so here complainant gets every knowledge about what he filed, what is the stage of the complaint, at present what court requires, and complainant may take part in actual proceedings. This is the very important aspect because as far as other cases are concerned, as you all people know that yes, you have to appoint lawyer for yourself. In case of complaints, you may appoint a public prosecutor. There's a lawyer by government, or you may appoint your private lawyer also. If you are accused, then you appoint your own lawyer. But in case of cybercrime complaints, as a complainant, you filed the complaint online, it is possible for every citizen of India to fight his case at own. No need to appoint any advocate for the same. If at all you feel that yes, I'm having every knowledge of the sector and that particular person must be punished, then it is possible that you may fight your case at your own. Now, as far as punishments are concerned, the IT Act, that is 2000, Information and Technology Act. So this is the only act what we people are having right now. So now in the morning when the session was going on, there was one question in my mind, and I was asking my colleague also that it's okay that now IT Act speaks about cyber crime. Now we are speaking about hacking. We are speaking about identity theft. But it is possible that some news was there na, that one boy was playing some games, the video game, and the task was to jump from the 7th floor or 10th floor. Okay, so he just went out and jumped and suicide. Yeah, you might have heard that particular thing was there. So, what you people think? Whether it's a cyber crime? Yeah, name of the game is yeah. So, whether such type of games is cyber crime? What do you think? Yes, because right now we people are dealing with the IT Act, and I would like to use this platform to make awareness among you people. And I personally feel that I should also go requesting to government or any other sector that it's a time to enlarge or it's time to a vast response of the IT Act, because if such type of games are there, And if somebody commits suicide, then that particular abatement is also one of the cybercrime. Unknowingly, we all are dealing with the cybercrime. If at all, if as far as India is concerned, if it is very strict that yes, Cyber Act is like this, and now the provisions are very strict, and if you are behind the bar, then just like a corona, it is possible that home quarantine should be there, because all of us are using Google and screenshots and images without knowing where there is a copyright act, whether any privacy infringement is there, because we all people are using this data like this. If at all, using of such particular of information, sharing of images, sharing of screenshots, sharing of illicit videos on WhatsApp, if at all it is recognized and it is a crime, then in future the situation might be like that, घर के ऊपर board लगा दो, this is a jail, because everyone is doing crime. So as far as cyber crime is concerned, only talking about the harassment of such type of photographs or financial crimes, the basic thing is that whenever IT Act infringement is there, then this infringement, now basically, if at all we would like to know that what is current position, so current position is like that, it is of 3 years imprisonment, around about 5 lakh rupees punishment for identity theft, such like in case of similar 10 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. So these are the terms in which monetary penalty or fine is there and imprisonment is there. So whether these two are the different or the same, anyone is having idea that it's possible if we are paying fine. So fine is just like a imprisonment, or both are different? Both are different. Yeah. But in the eye of law, both are same. Why? Because if penalty is there, if 3 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees you are paying, it means you are committed a crime. It doesn't mean that you should be behind the bar. Just like a challan, if police are taking challan of not wearing seat belt and other thing, so it is also crime. But we people think that this challans is okay, it's a fine and it's not a crime. But these fines are also crime. So in case of cyber crime, if such type of punishment is there, this is a punishment. If penalty is there, it's a punishment. And if you are paying the penalty, it means this is a punishment.
Excuse me. So, quick questions on the last slide. As I can see, the I mean, just for awareness, I'm asking these questions. The process for filing any cybercrime is quite easy. With the KYC and the online portal, you can file, right? But post that charges are filed, you are found guilty. The kind of what the mix 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, or 7 lakhs, or maximum 10 lakhs. Is this the fine? And whatever what we are getting the news, some techie lost 70 lakhs, some techie lost 1 crore, some retired person got some call, digital arrest or XYZ scammers. I see, I got a call from one of the, so this is where long back I know, I made a video of it, and that person called me, and he said that validate we for your credit card validation, we are calling in. I tried to follow, since I was aware for it. They given me a link, it was completely looking like SBI, complete video is there. So what I'm trying to ask, our government system for cyber crimes, maximum penalty or the fine are 10 lakhs rupees. Is that what is at the max? But they are making the cyber crimes are happening.
The amount is,
yeah. So Mr. Joshi, what is my ask? In the recent video, digital arrest happened. Some digital arrest called to the policeman in South, and he called the with fake policeman called to the real policeman, and the real policeman is responding, I don't do this, we found your call, we found your ID. Ideally they should catch or grab them. The police system is not that serious about cybercrime, and the final fine on the imprisonment is not that high. That's what I'm trying and realizing at this point of time.
Nice question. Actually, as far as this fine amount is concerned, let me clear one thing. If at all the fraud or what we say the ransom or any other, the amount is 10 lakhs or 10 cr. Apart from that particular amount, fine is there. So it's not like that if someone is culprit of 10 cr and now the punishment is 10 lakhs. So as compared to it's okay, now go for 10 cr and then 10 lakh and it's okay. So it's not like that. Okay. So big calculative, it's just like a fine. The punishment and imprisonment is of that particular amount. As far as the amount of theft is concerned, or as far as amount of misappropriation concerned, it must be considered separately. So it is not relevant. But as far as now the digital arrest or what the topic you're talking about, yes, nowadays we people are hearing these ringtones also of digital arrest if you are calling anyone. Okay. But this awareness is very must. In fact, 5 months before, I have prepared one reel about the digital arrest. At that time, people were asking me, "Yeah, what is this digital arrest?" And now everyone is knowing because yes, digital arrest is a serious thing. As far as the sections is concerned, it is computer. If computer-related offences are there, so the section 66 of IT Act is there. If at all identity theft is there, so 66C is there. Cheating by using the computer sources are there, and publishing or transmitting obscene material is there. So now these things you all are acquainted with, that what the precaution you have to do. Okay, so this is nothing but chat. I'm not going to tell anyone about you because you all are very well acquainted. In fact, मुझे आप लोगों से सलाह लेनी पड़ेगी if I'm getting something like that. So it's okay. But as far as the cyber safety is concerned, after this or a cyber apart from the cyber safety, the very important thing is that we must be aware of the things when that particular crime is going to happen. Because right now, if I am receiving a call, only receiving call is also a cyber crime. It's not like that press 1 press 2. By way of receiving the call also, you are giving permission or access of your mobile phones. So for that purpose, it is fixed that the situation may occur in our life today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I know you already go to fight. That makes you know that he can't talk to the yes. If you are answering the threat call, then also the very simple you may record the call. That is the thing. Threat calls you may record the call, okay, but unless and until you prove that it was recorded for your precautionary measures. Okay, because what law is very clear. Okay, now we are at the concluding part because time so that time is issue. So what law says every time, it is just like that. If at all you are on a bike or late night, any girl or any one of you is moving from a road, and if someone came and assault you, and in a self defense, if that particular person died, whether it is a murder, everyone know it, right? So just like that, if any such type of cyber crime is there committed by me to protect my money, to protect my image or my personal information, is not a crime unless and until I prove beyond the shadow of doubt that I committed that particular thing to protect myself. Okay. So any question answer? I think question answer is not required. Yeah, please. I have a question. I want to do that. Three documents are created. Yes. Because all things can be documented. Now, as far as the evidence is concerned, now previously we are having Evidence Act. Now the name is changed. So as far as evidence is concerned, whenever you are having the certification or a digital certification of the document, then only it is admissible in the court. Previously, it was a Section 65B certificate. So that particular certification is required. Unless and until you certify the particular document, that is what we are saying, that WhatsApp chat or call recording or any other screenshot also, you have to get it certified from authorized agency. If it is certified, then only it is accepted in the eye of law. Now the thing is like that. When it comes to nation, then it comes to discretion. So these are the discretionary power of the court when it comes to nation. But as far as private complaints are concerned or private persons are there, then these type of certifications are must. Yes. Yes. Any questions? Okay. So for that purpose, such type of seminar should be there, and we should start the movement. Look, we are the officers of the court, but in fact, we are the people who have to follow what is written on the paper. You are the persons, or you are the people. If at all you people are doing such type of programs and awareness among the people, then definitely it will going to change. Yes. Now it is also required. It is must. Other. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yes, please.
Sir, one question. As compared to government authority, private companies have more tools and technologies to investigate the threat and theft. What's your overview? Because I well known about like mass cyber and that I visited that.
Look, as far as the law field is concerned, since last 25 years I am practicing. But as far as this cyber crimes or cyber law is concerned, it's very true that yes, the technology is much better with the private companies, but outsourcing is not yet done. If at all government is thinking about any such outsourcing for a private companies, then it would be much better. But in case of outsourcing, the question is in relation with the bias interest is also there. So that was one has to think twice before doing so.
Yeah, even right now, the Maharashtra government situated their office mass cyber in Mahape.
Yeah.
Like people are working, home guards are working there. How they can resolve our cyber crime issues and that. But it's a very realistic thing actually. Even they invited me as a policy maker and that.
Yes, for that purpose, certain specific training programs must be required. Yes. Yes. So thank you. Thank you.